Hello, my crafty friends. It's Nikki here again, and I have some exciting things to share. As you know, last time I had some major problems with my die cutting machine, so I ran around and looked for a something that would substitute for that. Um, I bought something on Amazon, but then when I got it, it wasn't right. Um, it was a Gemini, but it was the wrong size. So I said, I can't use that. So I shipped it back. And so then I ran around to two different Michaels looking for something. And I did find, this is called Texture Boutique. And they say it's just for embossing, which is still fine for me, at least right now. I still have my little sidekick that I can use for die cutting. So this works out well because that's what we're doing. It's just embossing right now. And it came with several embossing folders, and it came with little embossing folders and some tags and some cards and envelopes, which I thought was fantastic. Here's the embossing folders. You get one big one, a little side one, and then two small ones to emboss the tags with. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And like I said, my embossing folders have gotten terribly underutilized. So I'm hoping to do that some more. All right, so we're going to use that. I went ahead and did some testing first. And this is a different folder, and so I think it works fantastic. And so I have 3 done, and as it comes to find out, this looks a little bit ruined, but it's actually not. I was able to put it through my new Texture Boutique just fine. I have several different Christmas embossing folders here. So let us go ahead and continue. Let's set the timer. We're done stamping the trees. I went ahead and finished. I only had the one left, so we have the trees. We're going to go ahead and finish embossing these, and we're going to stamp, if I can, let me find it real quick. There it is. We're going to stamp Joy in gold. So let's get that all ready to go. And set the clock. Start. All right. So let's finish the embossing first. Get that out of the way. I think we have 2 more. Yes, 2 more. No, 3. Okay. So you use this plate here, and then you put in the embossing folder and your piece of paper or a piece of cardstock, and it includes a really small shim if you only use the one piece. So I put that, make the sandwich, put the shim on top of there, and then like so. We stack them all together. Oop, just a minute. Sorry about that. I had to stop. The clock is at 8:43, and I will go ahead and start it again. There we go. Finishing the embossing. Okay, see? Oh, it's kind of warped a little bit, but nothing terrible. So I'll go ahead, let me go ahead and use the other embossing folder then for the presents. Not a problem. You know what they say, don't sweat the small stuff, and everything is small stuff. Okay. Okay, I think that turned out really nice. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, where's the other one? 6. All right. Okay. So we're done with the, and it's small enough that I can put it on the side of my desk. All right. Now we're going to stamp. Going to go ahead and finish stamping Joy on each of these pieces. What made it really difficult running back and forth between the two Michaels, of course, I called them in advance and told them, asked them about this machine, and said they'd set it back for me, which is fantastic. What you learn really fast in this part of the country, you don't go anywhere after 3:30 on a Friday because the traffic is just insane. So it took me quite a while to get over there, but there it was waiting for me. So I'm very happy. And I'm sure I would not be the first one to have a couple of 3 different machines. So that's fine. If I can dedicate one for die cutting and one for embossing, that I think it works. Okay, we're almost done with this. And then we'll start assembling the cards. One more. Okay. Okay, we have our score tape. We'll put on the pattern paper first. I have some snail around here somewhere, but as luck would have it, it's nowhere to be found right before I go to shoot a video. Now there is a smudge right there, but of course I'm going to cover it up, so that's not an issue. Let's just make sure I get it on right, because the score tape is unforgiving. Okay, that's one. And the Perfect Christmas paper is a little thicker, which is nice. I've negated to mention last time, but the Perfect Christmas is from Echo Park. You can try, if you want it, you can probably get it on Amazon. It depends. Sometimes I've bought, like this Christmas Pets, I bought some more of that, and they would tell you, oh, we only have 2 left, or however much, because it is from last year, so. Okay, that looks pretty good. There's 2. And we are, ooh, okay. 1 minute. Well, okay. Yeah, keep forgetting to get my pokey tool out too. That would probably help with this tape. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm almost got this one on. Let me go ahead and put it on. It's not going to let me. There we go. Okay. One more. Okay. So, if 3, the pattern paper is put on, and I have all the front pieces stamped. Okay, and I have all the embossing. The embossing is done. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, we will pick up where we left off next time. So, thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day.